Alright, let me get on aim.
I'm and let's do the BB gun test. First off, shotgun. Alright, wait.
Doing it.
Wait. Right, about there.
You ready?
3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh!
Target!
Look at that. Oh! Target!
Let me have a look.
Got in.
Ooh, that fucking hurt.
Alright, this time we'll try the automatic rifle. The shotgun. Oh, fuck! Alright, seeing as this one really fucking hurts, I'm gonna have to ask you to shoot this one. Okay?
Shoot the target.
What the fuck are you doing? Point blank, mate. Well, there. This one, don't you dare hit this one.
No, you got to aim for the target, man. Come on.
No. 3, 2, 1. Ah!
My turn.
Fucking winded me.
Stop it. My turn.
Yeah, hold it. Alright, this time, point blank, with the automatic, we've got about a full round. My chest is really hurt. Alright. Stay around, like, I don't know, there.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
Alright then. Wait.
Get off and I can do it.
Right. Stay around that area.
Yeah.
Alright. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Continue.
Oh,
You slide that along like that and pull the trigger. No. No more. Ah!
Woo!
Where's that going?
Come on. Where's the longer?